Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we have a word problem now. Rectangle ABCD, the big one, is broken out into 4 smaller rectangles, okay, by the lines PQRS, and the respective areas are shown in the diagram itself. Write down and simplify an expression for the area of the blue color rectangle. Oh well, that is pretty straightforward. So for part A, the area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to, we just need to add them up. Yep. 21 AX plus 6AY plus 7BX plus 2BY. Done. Part B, find the length of AP, PB, AR, DR in terms of AB, X, and Y. Well, the key idea now is, if I somehow know, what is my length AD, and what is my length for AB, then that might give us some clue, okay? And we always remember that to find area of a rectangle or a square is length times breadth, right? So AD times AB equals to the area. This further give us some clue what should we do to the area that we have found in part A. So if we are able to factorize the expression found in part A, then we will be able to somehow find the length and breadth of this area. So this is what Mr. Tan is going to do. I am going to apply my knowledge of factorization by grouping, and to factorize them out now. 21AX plus 6AY, common factor is 3A, to left with 7X, 2Y. B will be the common factor, and I'm left with 7X and 2Y. And from here, I could then further factorize out the 7X plus 2Y. To lead me to this expression here. And when I compare this over, so I'm going to now go back to the question. I'm going to put side by side. So I'm going to just cut this out, and I'm going to put here side by side so that it's easier for us to see. Then I could see something already. I hope you can see. 7X plus 2Y. I could put it directly into the diagram. 7X, 2Y, 3A, and B, which is exactly what the factorized form of the area is. Can you see that? And once you can see that, then you can therefore write out what the question needs. So my AP will be equals to 3a. PB is B. AR is 7x. And DR is 2y. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this video and to learn about mathematics. Thank you and have a nice day.